Will it let you pull it up here? Or no? Get a fat one. Like Meryl. Like Meryl sugar.
That's
Oh. Yeah, for like our main thing to leave it. Hit the drum. Hit it. Hit it.
Okay.
Oh, you're so good at that. What is this thing? The notes aren't the same. There you go. Right. That's cute. Maybe it could look like you were in the city. Oh, that's pretty cool. Is this New York? No, that's not terrible. That's a terrible husband. Making her take care of it. They're all cute. If I say the one I don't want, then I'm probably gonna get that. There's a mystery one too. That's cute. I don't want the first one or the fourth one. It's orange. That's funny. That's the fourth one. That's the one I said I didn't want. It's in a dog. That's a dog outfit. Oh, it's in a box. It's also a dog. They're the same dog. Are they all that?
I think so, yeah.
Bullmoose? Oh my god, look at its paws.
That's
Look at the
cute.
bottom.
I like it.
I am not a raincoat here to keep you warm. Then you go back in the closet after the storm. I'm not a match simply waiting to burn. All I am is a friend, your friend till the end. Your impression of a city wish you loved more than everything you gave for it. And I'm not here to criticize the risk. All I am is a friend, your friend till the end. All I am is a friend, your friend till the end. I am not a witness here to call you in for the things that you done or the thing that you did. And I'm not the shadow of anyone you've been. All I am is a friend, your friend till the end. All I